Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So the historical moment has happened. Donald Trump has become the president. So actually he's also got the Senate majority, although the House of Representatives is split. The Republicans have very small advantage, but it's not enough to get majority where you need 218 votes. So not bad results actually, but it's very similar to the overall situation when the Senate and House controlling by the different parties. So currently, mostly what we see currently on the markets rally on the Bitcoin, although right to our target that we have specified in recent update, and in euro currency and all the markets, this is of course the emotional reaction. So it has no relation to the real changes of some values of the currencies or assets. Besides, we should acknowledge that actually the Donald Trump is the showman, but show right now is finished, and you have to start the really hard work. The same story was in 2016 when Donald Trump has become the president for the first time. What major events in his presidency we could recall? It's actually three major events. One is he's muddied the water in Syria, bombing something. Second, it's starting a trading war with China. And third, actually, he has started the printing the money when the epidemic starts in 2019. It's actually not that Joe Biden actually has become on this madness on the printing of the money and just distributing it inside of the economy, but this has been started by the Donald Trump. What will happen this time? He has given lots of different promises, tax cutting, or even canceling the earnings tax, income tax in the United States for the individuals. Then he promised making the United States the capital of the crypto market. Then he promised to initiate the 100% import taxes for China. Also, some confrontation might be started even with the European Union. And we will see what will happen, because this actually was really brave and strong statements, but what we'll get in reality, we will see. For now, actually, on the euro currency, we do not have any big surprises, because market was moving precisely between the levels that we have specified. But the only problem with that is attempt to catch this action, because you will have to make that clearly bet on the Donald Trump victory, and you have to take the position without any clear patterns in place. So it's just only our American traders probably was able to do this, because an announcement of the results was in deep night in Europe. So, but in general, it is a bit interesting. But our bullish scenario that we have discussed yesterday has been completed, and only after that started our bread and butter trade that we've got on the weekly chart. Actually, this was the bread and butter right from the 30% resistance as we suggested, but it has started with some unexpected moment, let's call it in this way, because it was really big challenge to catch it. And the COP that I was talking about for a couple of weeks, I said I do not like existence of the COP and strong support right below the market. I do not like this reversal before the target has been completed. So actually, it's been done right in the moment on the results of the elections. The same we have on the dollar index. Here, dollar index also completed 105 target that we have, similar target that in euro currencies, it's weekly COP. On the 10-year bonds, market jumps almost to the 4.5%, 4.47 it was. And here's now is grubber forming, but it's not clear whether we will get it or not. But obviously that some relief after this emotional shake probably should happen. So market should come down a bit and see for the further steps, because now when this euphoria around elections is over, It's a lot of big questions appearing on the table, and it's very interesting how Donald Trump started to resolve them. On a lower time frame, on the 4-time frame chart, here's what I'm talking about. Yesterday I said that, well, in the current circumstances, based on this performance that we've got on Monday, I would try to take the long position with the possible action to the 109.40 or 130 resistance on the daily chart. And you can see that this action precisely has happened, and only after that the collapse has followed and gap has been closed. So now on the hourly chart, I see nothing special. Channel has been broken down. In general, I think that we should wait for some more or less extended patterns. For instance, it might be if reaction will happen to the upside, for example. It might be kind of the hand and shoulders here, right? So it might be shoulder, head, another shoulder with some relief on the markets and a possible pullback. We will see it. Or some other pattern might be formed. But definitely here should be something that we could use for estimation of the direction. For now, in today's session, probably today, tomorrow, hardly will get something really valuable. On the hourly chart, the thrust down is relatively strong, although it doesn't match to Jordan Napoli bread and butter trade, but momentum is here very strong, and if market will show minor pullback, intraday traders could start watching for some resistance and trying to make some momentum trade with a possible downside continuation on the background of this momentum. But this is really very short-term setup, just for a few hours. For the traders who trade on the high time frames, even on a 4-time frame chart, currently I do not see something really special. So we need to let market come down a bit and start watching for some patterns. Once anything or something will be formed, we could make some decision on where market could go next.